In this video I will show you how to make a fillable form in Microsoft Word.
So, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create the layout of your form by adding titles, questions, or sections where users will enter information. After that, you need to enable the Developer tab if it is not already visible. To do this, click on File, then Options. Go to Customize ribbon and check the box next to Developer, then click OK. Now open the Developer tab from the top menu. From here, you can add different form controls such as text boxes, checkboxes, date pickers, or drop-down lists, depending on the type of form you want to create. Simply place your cursor where you want the field to appear and click on the control you want to insert. You can also click on Properties to customize each field, such as adding placeholder text or creating list options for drop-down menus. Once your form is complete, you can protect it to prevent users from changing the layout. Go to the Developer tab, click on Restrict Editing, then select Filling in Forms and click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Your document will now work as a fillable form that others can type into easily. And that's how you can create a fillable form in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.